Hey friends, this is Ayan here and once again warm welcome back to your own YouTube channel, The Delta Neutral. So in this video, in a very short and precise manner, I am going to explain you mathematically which one is going to be better for you on a long run, option buying or option selling. Well, I know it's a much debated, much asked, much concerned and much discussed topic, and a hell lot of videos over this are available in the internet, but still the purpose of making this video is to just make you know what the matter of fact is, and that too in a mathematical manner. So let's keep option buying on one side and option selling on the other side. Let's imagine you have any viewpoint. You can be bullish, you can be bearish or whatever. Let's say you go bullish on the market and you have bought a call option, right? So if the market moves up, you are definitely going to be in profit, no doubts, done. If the market moves down, you are definitely going to be in losses. And what is the other occurrence that can happen? The market can consolidate. It can neither move up, it can neither move down. In that case also, what is the result if you could have bought a call option? It's definitely lost, right? Because there is time value decay in options. In case if the market doesn't move up, the intrinsic value, the time value of that option is going to get diminished, and thus you will lose a sum of money you have invested, right? So what is the number of occurrences in which you can be in profit? It's only one here, only if the market moves upwards, right? And what is the total number of occurrences? It's 3 here, right? So what is the probability? It's obviously 1 divided by 3, okay? So done. On the other side, now let's think of option selling. In case if you're selling option, let's say this time also, your viewpoint is same, you are bullish on the market, and instead of buying a call option right now, you are planning of selling a put option, okay? So if the market moves up, the value of the put option is definitely going to get down, okay? Now let's imagine that you have sold a put option. Now if the market moves up, you will be in profit. But if the market moves down, you are definitely going to be in loss because the value of the put option is going to increase. And if the market consolidates in the same range wherever it is, okay, it neither shows a movement upwards nor it moves down. In that case also, the time value of the put option is going to get diminished, and you are going to gain that time value because you have sold that option. You are not buying it, rather you have sold that option. You are in a sell position on that option, okay? So you are gaining the theta here, you are gaining the time value here. So what is the number of occurrences here in this case where you can be in profit? It's 2 instead of 1, that like in option buying. So it's 2 here, okay? And then 2 divided by 3, which is the total number of occurrences. So what is the probability, what is the intrinsic probability of winning a trade if you are selling an option? It's 2 by 3, which means 2 times of that of option buying. So very simply, mathematically, we can make one understand that whenever selling option, we are getting twice a probability of win than that of buying an option. So this is the first thing we need to know, we need to digest practically. I know even after seeing this video, even after watching this, even after having a faith, having a belief on all this, due to shortage of funds, due to shortage of capital that is required for option selling, due to some kind of mindset like, well, I know this can happen, but this time my viewpoint is quite strong, this time I am pretty confident on my prediction, and this time if I am going to buy this option which is worth rupees 20, it's going to be like rupees 200 within a day or within 2 to 3 days. The market is going to be in a trend, and after all, such aggressive trades are the only reasons for bringing even experienced traders to losses. Well, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and more such learning videos, more such debated topics, that too in the simplest, the shortest and the easiest manner, will be available on a frequent basis in the same playlist, the 5 minutes learning. In order to stay tuned, please don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see what my viewpoint on the market at a live video is, please don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description below. Thanks for watching.